Dubuque Stamping and Manufacturing in Dubuque, Iowa offers state-of-the-art stamping, machining, heat treating, and grinding services for virtually any project, regardless of the volume or complexity. All of these processes are housed in our 160,000 square foot facility. As a result, Dubuque Stamping is well positioned for further growth. Established in 1948, Dubuque Stamping and Manufacturing is a proven Tier 1 supplier to major OEMs, as well as to a wide variety of other types of businesses requiring fabricated metal components. Quality parts delivered to our valued customers on time, every time, is what has made the name Dubuque synonymous with outstanding and reliable performance. Our high-quality stamping services and substantial secondary finishing capabilities are well known. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified facility, we take seriously the international manufacturing and documentation standards that must be maintained to retain that certification. As a result, we've been continuously certified since 1999. Our quality control activities are headed up by a team of technical experts, utilizing the latest equipment and testing tools available. At Dubuque Stamping and Manufacturing, we have 35 presses, ranging from 50 to 800 ton. Many of these presses are automated and can accommodate progressive dies. This wide variety of presses allows us to develop the right die to manufacture a component in the most efficient and economical way. We also have multi-axis CNC machining centers, including mills, single and dual spindle turret lathes, which are operated by highly skilled employees. In-house salt bath, press quench heat treat services, as well as Gardner double disc and Blanchard grinding. So, whether your parts have a heat treat requirement or tight tolerance for flatness or parallelism, we have you covered. Our in-house tool and die shop, which is a strong resource for troubleshooting issues or developing new projects. Custom inkjet printing on finished parts is also available. Whether it's stamping, heat treating, grinding, machining, or vibratory finishing, Dubuque Stamping has decades of experience in all these areas. To provide the finishing touch, Dubuque Stamping has partnered with several companies offering various coating services, laser cutting, welding, and packaging. This ensures that Dubuque Stamping can truly be your one-stop shop for your manufacturing needs. Because we take nothing for granted and continually strive for customer satisfaction. Dubuque Stamping has stood the test of time and can point to many account relationships that are decades old. We invite you to give us a call and learn how we can assist you in the development of your latest project.